POC Auto 1472-2025 Toyota Camry. The latest evolution of Toyota's iconic midsize sedan is here, and it brings a refined design, improved efficiency, and an even more engaging driving experience. The Camry has always been known for reliability and comfort, but the 2025 model takes things to a new level. Let's start with the design. The front fascia is sharper, featuring a bolder grille and sleek LED headlights that give it a more aggressive stance. The sculpted body lines flow seamlessly from front to back, enhancing aerodynamics and giving the Camry a sportier look. The rear is equally striking, with redesigned LED taillights and a subtle integrated spoiler that adds a touch of sophistication. Under the hood, Toyota offers a single powertrain choice for 2025, a hybrid system across all trims. The combination of a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and an electric motor produces a solid 225 horsepower for front-wheel drive models and 232 horsepower for all-wheel drive. More power than before, but with an added bonus, improved fuel efficiency. Toyota claims around 51 mpg combined, making this one of the most fuel-efficient sedans in its class. Interior, the Camry's cabin gets a premium upgrade. A 12.3-inch digital driver display and a matching 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen come standard on higher trims, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Toyota has also improved the materials, with soft touch surfaces and available leather seating that add a more upscale feel. The redesigned center console is more intuitive, with fewer physical buttons and a cleaner layout. And for those who love their music, an available JBL premium sound system ensures an immersive audio experience. On the road, the Camry continues to impress. The hybrid powertrain delivers smooth acceleration, and thanks to Toyota's refinements, it's quieter than ever. The new suspension setup provides a balanced ride, comfortable for daily driving but responsive enough for those who want a little more excitement. And with all-wheel drive now available, traction and stability have been significantly improved, especially in wet or snowy conditions. Now, here's the standout feature: the Camry now comes with Toyota's latest Safety Sense 3.0 suite. This means advanced driver assistance features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and pre-collision braking are smarter and more precise. But the real game changer is Toyota's proactive driving assist, which subtly adjusts steering and braking to help maintain smoother driving, especially in traffic or on winding roads. The 2025 Toyota Camry is more than just a dependable sedan, it's a statement of efficiency, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're looking for a fuel-efficient commuter, a comfortable family car, or a stylish everyday driver, this new Camry delivers. That's it for this review. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Camry. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to POC Auto 1472 for more car reviews. See you in the next video.